What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tencent holdings with the ticker symbol TCEHY. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for Tencent, and you can clearly see there were two legs down. So this is one leg down, and it was perfect measure move that was met, and we're starting to see a rally take place. So the incentive for the shorts are practically over because the measure move is met, and you can clearly see there was this downtrend right over here. So there was a breakout side of this downtrend, and once we see a breakout side in a new low, that shows signs of weakness at the two legs down at a potential support or a previous support. So that's a very good sign for a reversal. You can see this horizontal line marks previous support, so we bounced right at previous support after two large legs down. After it looks like the downtrend looks weak, so this is all the signs for a reversal. It's not guaranteed because we need to see the pattern first for confirmation. So what I want to see is prices get back above the EMA, go down twice and fail, and then reverse. So that would be two attempts for the sellers to bring the price down below the EMA, and we're going to expect it to fail. Once it fails, we start seeing price reverse, then that means we're probably going to be seeing higher prices. So once we see the reversal pattern, that will be confirmation that this was the low and we're going to see higher prices. Right now, we could still get rejected from the EMA right over here at the 42.35 level and go lower, but it's setting up to do a reversal pattern, and that would be the expectation now. So we could come back to retest this prior resistance at the 51.41 level, or at the very least, if we get the reversal pattern, we can do a correction measure move. So this was the previous correction. If we do a measure move of that, we can be pulling back to the 47.17 levels. So there's a good chance we're probably going to be seeing higher prices for Tencent in the coming days and weeks. But again, it's not guaranteed. I want to see that reversal pattern take place for higher prices. But again, it's setting up to do that. So that's all I have on the daily chart. Let's take a quick look at the weekly chart and wrap it all up. So here's the weekly chart. You can see there was this prior downtrend in play. Looks like price is fitting pretty good against the channel like this one right here. Drag this down. So there was a nice break outside this channel. After the break, you expect two attempts to come back down to this prior low. So sellers looked like they already tried it. So this was one attempt down. This was the second attempt down, and it could be failing because we're bouncing off of prior support, and we're seeing a reversal take place right now. So this support could hold, and we can see that failure for prices to make a possible another leg higher, and that would take prices to 67.40. So this could be a potential bottom for Tencent. Very similar pattern playing out in the past, not exactly, but very similar. So in this entire downtrend, you can see that prices were below the EMA, then all of a sudden it shot right through the EMA. It made two legs down, one leg down, two legs down. Unfortunately for this time, the measure move wasn't met. This time it was. Prices shot up. So basically it looks like in the previous pattern, we're right about here. Kind of like the start of this move up higher. So again, it's not guaranteed, but it is setting up to do that. Once we see a reversal pattern, basically a failed two-legged move down, that would be leading to higher prices. Because the market moves in twos, if it tries to do something twice and fails, it's most likely going to do the opposite. So that is the unspoken rule in the market. You see it on the chart numerous times. So just like over here, market went down once, twice, couldn't reach the measurement target, most likely you're going to do the opposite, which is up. So market went down once, twice, couldn't get through this support, most likely going to do the opposite. So that's what it's setting up to do, and we'll see if Tencent can do that, and I'll be here to give you guys an update next week, Thursday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.